Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned about sentence. Today we are going to learn about types of sentence. Let's start. A sentence that says or states something is called statement. It ends with a full stop. It is a full stop. Okay. Now the second. A sentence that asks something is called questions. It ends with a question mark. This is a question mark. Okay. Now the exercise. Add a full stop or a question mark at the end of each sentence. So what you have to do in this exercise, students? You have to add a full stop or a question mark at end of the each sentence. So first you have to read the sentence. Okay. First one. Where is my umbrella? So it is a question type sentence. Okay. So it is a question. So what we have to put here? We have to put question mark here. Okay. Now the second one. This poem is beautiful. This sentence is statement. So we have to put a full stop here. Why do pigeons fly? So it is a question. So we have to put a question mark here. Okay. So rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now the next. We use an exclamation mark. You can see here students. This is exclamation mark. Okay. After word or sentence which show anger, surprise, sadness or happiness. It means the sentence which are expressing our feelings are called exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now here we have example. Hurrah! We have won the match. This sentence express happiness. Ah, what a pity. This sentence express sadness. Okay. A sentence that expresses a strong sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. How beautiful the day is. At the end of sentence, exclamation mark. Okay. So here we have next exercise. E. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. In this exercise, you have to read sentence and select correct exclamatory word from this helping box. We have helping box here. Okay. So first one. Days. It's nice to see you after so long. So students, when we meet someone, what we say? We say hello. So which is the correct answer for this? Hello and exclamation mark. Hello, it's nice to see you after so long. Now the next one. The baby is sleeping. So what will come here? Hush. The baby is sleeping. Here we have to make a silent. So hush is a correct answer. Hush. The baby is sleeping. Okay. So next three sentences you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now the next exercise. Write whether the following sentence are statement, question or exclamatory sentence. Okay. So in this exercise we have to identify that which one is which type of sentence. Statement type of sentence, questions or exclamatory sentence. So first one. I waited for you at the bus stop. So it is statements. You can see here students. It ends with the full stop. Statements ends with the full stop. Okay. So it is statement. Okay. Now the next one. Why did you get late? Question mark. So here we have a question mark at the end of the sentence. So which type of sentence is this? Questions. Okay. So here we have written questions. Okay. So like this you have to complete this exercise as your own as a homework. Now the next. Parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts. A naming part called the subject and an action part called the predicate. So first one. Sanjeev is reading. So you can see here students, in this sentence Sanjeev is the subject or the naming part, while the reading is the predicate or the action part. Sanjeev, it tells us what the sentence is about what the sentence is. And reading, it tells us something about the subject. Okay. What Sanjeev do? Action says that what Sanjeev do. Sanjeev is reading. Okay. So next exercise. Match the subjects in column A with suitable predicates in column B to form meaningful sentence. Okay students. So here we have in column A subjects and in column B predicates. So in this exercise we have to match proper subject with the proper predicates. So first one, the frogs. The frogs is round in shape? No. Twinkle at night? No. Give us rain? No. Croak in the pond. So it is correct. Predicates. The frogs croak in the pond. Now the next one. The cook. The cook made a delicious salad. Okay. So this is the correct predicates. The duck. So what will be the correct answer for the duck? Quicks in the lake. Okay students. So like this you have to complete this exercise as a homework. Okay. So we are going to putting. Okay. So our lesson and video is completed here with this exercise. Okay students. Thank you.